The National Electrical Code, or NEC, doesn't specifically address modular sunrooms, so general electrical work requirements in residential and commercial buildings apply. Wires must be enclosed within a raceway such as a conduit or cable tray, or other approved enclosure, according to NEC Section 300.3. Non-metallic raceways are required for outdoor applications, as noted in NEC Sections 334.2 and 352.47. Conduits must be rigid or intermediate metal conduit, called IMC, if installed in a damp or wet location, per NEC Section 350.8. Cable trays must be listed for use as a raceway, according to NEC Section 392.6. Raceways must be securely fastened to the structure, as stated in NEC Section 300.11. Also, raceways must be located to avoid physical damage, as per NEC Section 300.4. Regarding modular sunrooms, the enclosed tracks can be suitable for wiring if certain conditions are met. Firstly, the tracks must be made of non-conductive material, such as aluminum or vinyl. Secondly, wires must be securely fastened to the track using approved clips or clamps. Thirdly, the wires must not be exposed to moisture or condensation. Additional important points to consider include consulting with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with local electrical codes and best practices. Use weather-resistant electrical boxes and switches designed for outdoor use. Seal all penetrations where wires enter or exit the enclosure to prevent moisture from getting in. This information is a general guide and is not a substitute for professional advice from a qualified electrician who can ensure all codes and regulations are followed.